Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a support and resistance trade short here. It's going to be an all-in, all-out kind of trade, just based on the way that it's setting up. Let me get my stop in place here, just a small little stop. We're short right now, 4 contracts, 43.90. Stop is at 44, and then we're just looking at 43.73, just back down to those lows. You could probably go even maybe a little bit closer to the lows, maybe go to like 71 or so. That wouldn't be a bad idea either. I prefer 73 just because that's that turning point of the candle down there, but you know, whatever your preference is on that move down. The reason I'd like this short trade is we made this little fake break high earlier this morning at about 9:30, and ever since then we've just come tanking straight down. Huge amount of selling volume coming in on crude, and that crude oil actually blew through all of the support areas that fake break would have given us. So now what I'm looking to do is just sell those as resistance, and we've come back. We've tested that area right at the EMA, right at that resistance at 43.92, and then we're just bouncing straight back down again. Now, the reason it's all in, all out is because there's really only one target, and that's just back to the lows. Now, I don't like to put my target smack on the lows. It's usually asking for a little bit of trouble, but looking to front run it at least a little bit there around 73. If we can get that target filled, we're going to be taking 4 off at 18, so it'll be a nice little trade. 18 at 4 is 72 ticks, so not bad. $720 if we can get it filled. Now, if you do want to hold on to runners, you could be looking for, you know, some type of extension level, but if you notice, the more and more I scroll down, there's nothing there. Okay, so there's not really any other support levels. You could possibly look for, you know, maybe one of those measured moves, something like this, going down to the lows and then dragging it down. But you'll notice it doesn't put it much farther past the lows. So the measured leg would put you right around 62 or so. So you could take, you know, half the position off here at 73 and then try to take a couple more down here at 65. But I'm just going to take it as an all-in, all-out. I'm not anticipating it to fall much farther down, at least not right away. You know, it'd be better off waiting for a better setup, you know, a wave pattern, something like that to sell. So again, short 4 contracts, 43.92 is our entry price. Sorry, 90. 43.90 is our entry price. Stop is at 44, only 10 ticks. Looking for 18 ticks to the downside, all 4 at 43.73. Might not even have to pause it here. It's getting a nice little leg down here. Make this a little easier to see. So this is kind of the reaction that we want to see on this retest of this area here at 92. We want to see an immediate rejection, and that immediate rejection should bring us down to the lows, especially if it comes in with strength. We've already seen crude oil come in with a huge amount of strength after we broke out of this morning kind of ranginess. I mean, we started the morning all the way until just before this breakdown. There's only 70 or so ticks on the day. I mean, not a very big range at all. And now we just broke out of that. They tried breaking out of the highs, failed. That's where that fake break happened, and now they're just tanking back to the downside. So just a beautiful move down, and just looking to hop on it. A little bit late to the party, that's for sure, but not a bad test. Retest of that resistance at 92, and we got our target filled. So 18 ticks, 4 off at 18. Got 72 ticks locked in. Nice quick little trade there. Only took, what, about 3.5 minutes. So definitely not bad at all. So that's going to be the trade for today. $720. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.